Hello everyone, welcome to instafollowers.com. Today we would like to talk about what SEO is and which services you can use for SEO improvements. Search engine optimization is the practice of getting your website to rank higher and increasing your site's traffic through organic search engine results. If you want to grow your business through your website, you need the organic traffic, and SEO is the best way to do it. But how? Lucky for you, we have more than one tool to offer services to you. Let's take a look together. When you enter the SEO section of our website, you can see all of our services. Let's start with the buying backlinks. Having quality backlinks from websites with a high domain authority is essential for the SEO and link building. It is also one of the ranking factors of search engines. Backlinks helps your website to get the top of the rankings, get more organic website traffic, and increase its online awareness. You can select various backlinks from here by entering the domain and keywords you want to get backlinks. You can choose the feature options such as the indexing time interval. The second one is SEO packages and SEO services. Our SEO packages are prepared for increase your website's ranking and user experience. The SEO packages we offer include the key points of SEO, and we have include anything that will help your purposes for your website. Doesn't matter what kind of website you have. The SEO strategy that will boost your site and promote your business better can be found in our SEO services. So you can select the one of that suits your needs and budget. Here is what we offer in our packages, the Starter Pack. The Starter SEO Pack offers all of the basics elements of SEO. The Starter Pack can do a lot for you if you have small businesses and medium-sized enterprises. This pack helps you understand the basics, SEO elements, and puts your website in the direction of success. And the second one is Standard. The Standard Pack includes all the key elements of develop a good SEO strategy. It is especially beneficial for local businesses that want to start an SEO campaign better than any other. So our standard package also includes local SEO and premium custom links. But if you want your business to look professional on the internet and increase its awareness, then our enterprise pack is one of your needs. This package aims to get your website to a better place than it has already been. The enterprise packs cover all the professional elements of SEO and offers professional SEO services. We strongly recommend the enterprise package for your professional needs, essential in searching capacity, backlink level, reporting, and all other exclusive features. SEO Consulting Service. With the SEO Consulting Service, our professional team provides you with everything necessary to increase the ranking of your website on Google or other search engines at the most affordable prices, such as Google Index status test and suggestions, backlink control, site traffic and keyword research, etc. You can learn what it covers in detail by going to our website, and when you decide to buy, you can start the process by entering the URL of your site. Buying SEO report services. An SEO report is the insights of your website that SEO tools present. If you want to see how your website is doing in terms of SEO, a report will be good for you to have an idea of your future strategies. Performing the analysis most professionally will benefit your website. Our services provides you with popular SEO tools such as Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Screaming Frog report system. And on-page SEO services. On-page SEO is the arrangements of improvements made your website according to criteria determined by the search engines. For your website to be in a better position in Google and other search engines, on-page SEO must be done by experts. Our on-page SEO services has your website done by our experts. Content, user experience, mobile-friendly, providing features like the site speed will help your website to get organic traffics. Web acceleration. The page speed is a direct ranking factor for Google and users, of course. That's why page loading slowly don't have a chance to rank higher in search results. When clicking on a web page, a user requests the web page load, and the web server is trying to bring the cache content as soon as possible. So our web acceleration service help implement optimization process such as the blog's loading time, server speed, and their mobile friendliness. And the last one is backlink analysis. Backlink analysis is where you can see which sites have links that lead to your site. If you get backlinks from websites with high domain rank, search engines will perceive your site as a higher quality and make you more visible to users. For backlink analysis, you can find the package you want according to your needs. If you choose harmful link analysis, backlinks of your website are analyzed one by one. It's detected with harmful relations and sent to you as a text completion. Competitor analysis. Service competitor analysis service is the detection and analysis of competitors with which your website and service compete. Within the scope of your keywords, your competitors are identified, analyzed, and reported to you. And the webmaster registration helps your website is registered within all search engines. This will increase your organic awareness, enabling to get traffic on Google, Yandex, or Bing search engines. The last one is Google penalty recovery. Within the Google penalty recovery process, the penalty of your website has received determined, and SEO experts carry out studies to remove the penalty. So that's all. Here are our SEO services listed for your needs. You can choose the one of you want and use it with peace of mind. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.